Now we are discussing breadboard. This is like a prototype model for the electronics engineers in order to connect our connections on the circuit. This is called as breadboard. On this breadboard, you can observe the top two lines and the bottom two lines are appearing like similar. These top two lines, they are horizontally shorted, and these bottom two lines also horizontally shorted. Means there is a single connection up to the half portion. All these holes are shorted up to the half portion, and similarly the top row, these holes are shorted and these are also shorted. In between, you can observe there are two different slots are available here. These holes are shorted vertically. So this one and this one, these two are shorted or not? Shorted, yes. Now these two connections are shorted or not? Shorted. Now these two connections, not shorted. These two connected, not shorted. These two connections, not shorted. These two connections, shorted. So we use this to connect a small circuit. When we connect the small circuit, when we apply this concept, then you fully familiarize with the breadboard. The same thing, whatever we have discussed until now, we are displaying here. All holes in the selected row are internally connected, and all holes in the selected column are internally connected. We are taking a small cable, which is a wire. Two leads are there. We are interested in connecting a component or a cable from node A to node B, means from terminal A to terminal B. A and B are shorted or not shorted? Not shorted. If we connect a wire, definitely these two terminals will be shorted. This is how we are connecting the wire from A to B. This connection of wire from A to B is making the wire to be shorted. The wire is shorting the nodes A and B. This we will observe the breadboard connections with a small circuit.